Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
Hi, friends! Today, we have a super useful lesson for you.
Yes, today we are going to learn 100 daily routine sentences in English.
100? Wow, that's a lot.
Don't worry. We will go slowly, step by step.
That's right. If you want to talk about your day in English, this video is for you.
Wake up, breakfast, work, school, sleep, everything.
So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's start practicing together.
Are you ready?
Let's go!
Okay, let's start with the morning. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I wake up, of course.
Good. So our first sentence is, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Let's say it slowly together. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Very good. Now, what time do you wake up, Speaker 2?
Me? I wake up at 6:30. I am an early bird.
An early bird. I am a late bird, I think.
A late bird. That's not even a real animal.
Maybe I am inventing a new species. Okay, sentence number 2. I get out of bed.
I get out of bed. Simple, right?
Yes, very simple. Repeat with me. I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Number 3. I turn off my alarm.
Oh, I know this one. My alarm is so loud, I always turn it off fast.
Same here. I turn off my alarm, and then I sleep 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes becomes 1 more hour.
True story. Okay, number 4. I stretch my body.
I stretch my body. This feels nice in the morning.
Yes, it helps you feel awake. Number 5. I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom. Easy one.
Number 6. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. 2 times a day, right?
Yes, morning and night. Let's repeat. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Number 7. I wash my face.
I wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up fast.
Cold water is powerful. Number 8. I take a shower.
I take a shower. I love hot showers in the morning.
Me too. Number 9. I dry my hair.
I dry my hair with a towel.
And number 10. I get dressed.
I get dressed. Now I am ready for the day. Almost.
Almost. Let's practice these 10 sentences again, but slower this time.
Good idea. Listen and repeat after us.
I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I turn off my alarm.
I stretch my body.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I dry my hair.
I get dressed.
Great job. You are doing amazing.
Keep going. We are not finished yet.
After getting dressed, what comes next?
Breakfast, my favorite part of the day.
Of course it is. Sentence 11. I make breakfast.
I make breakfast. I usually make eggs.
I usually make toast. Simple but good. Number 12. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast. Let's repeat. I eat breakfast.
Number 13. I drink coffee.
I drink coffee. I cannot live without coffee.
Same here. Coffee is life. Number 14. I drink tea.
I drink tea in the evening, not the morning.
That makes sense. Number 15. I pour a glass of juice.
I pour a glass of juice. Orange juice is the best.
Agreed. Number 16. I check my phone.
Oh no, I do this too much. I check my phone every 5 minutes.
Me too. It's a bad habit, but a very common one.
True. Let's continue. Number 17. I read the news.
I read the news on my phone while drinking coffee.
Multitasking. Number 18. I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes after breakfast.
Number 19. I clean the kitchen.
I clean the kitchen quickly.
And number 20. I leave the house.
I leave the house at 8 o'clock.
Perfect. Let's repeat all 10 sentences together slowly.
I make breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I drink tea.
I pour a glass of juice.
I check my phone.
I read the news.
I wash the dishes.
I clean the kitchen.
I leave the house.
Excellent. You've learned 20 sentences already.
Wow, time really flies when we are learning, doesn't it?
It does. Quick reminder before we continue.
If this lesson is helping you, please give us a like.
Yes, it helps our channel grow, and it helps us make more free lessons for you.
And if you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell icon.
That way, you won't miss our next English lesson.
Okay, let's continue with our daily routine sentences.
Let's go. After breakfast, many people go to work or school.
That's right. Sentence 21. I get ready for work.
I get ready for work. Let's repeat. I get ready for work.
Number 22. I pack my bag.
I pack my bag. I always forget something.
What do you usually forget?
My keys. Every single day.
Haha, that's funny. Okay, number 23. I leave for work.
I leave for work at 8:30.
Number 24. I take the bus.
I take the bus to work. Do you take the bus too?
No, I drive my car. Number 25. I drive to work.
I drive to work. 2 different ways, same goal.
True. Number 26. I walk to the station.
I walk to the station every morning.
Number 27. I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus. Sometimes it's late.
Buses are always late, everywhere in the world.
So true. Number 28. I arrive at work.
I arrive at work at 9 o'clock.
Number 29. I start work.
I start work at 9 o'clock sharp.
And number 30. I greet my coworkers.
I greet my coworkers. I say, "Good morning, everyone."
Very polite. Let's repeat these sentences slowly one more time.
I get ready for work.
I pack my bag.
I leave for work.
I take the bus.
I drive to work.
I walk to the station.
I wait for the bus.
I arrive at work.
I start work.
I greet my coworkers.
Great job, everyone. 30 sentences done.
You are doing wonderful. Keep practicing with us.
Now let's talk about work and school activities.
Good idea. Number 31, I check my emails.
I check my emails every morning.
Number 32, I answer phone calls.
I answer phone calls at work.
Number 33, I attend a meeting.
I attend a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Number 34, I write a report.
I write a report for my boss.
Number 35, I take notes.
I take notes in class. Students do this a lot.
True. Students, repeat with us. I take notes.
Number 36, I ask questions.
I ask questions when I don't understand.
That's a great habit. Number 37, I listen carefully.
I listen carefully to the teacher.
Number 38, I take a break.
I take a break at noon. My favorite sentence.
Of course it is. Number 39, I eat lunch.
I eat lunch with my coworkers.
And number 40, I drink water.
I drink water all day long. Stay hydrated, friends.
Great advice. Let's repeat all 10 sentences slowly.
I check my emails.
I answer phone calls.
I attend a meeting.
I write a report.
I take notes.
I ask questions.
I listen carefully.
I take a break.
I eat lunch.
I drink water.
40 sentences. You are doing amazing.
Halfway there. Let's keep going. Now let's talk about the afternoon.
Number 41. I finish work.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Number 42. I leave the office.
I leave the office and go home.
Number 43. I go home.
I go home after work. Simple, right?
Very simple. Number 44. I stop at the store.
I stop at the store to buy food.
Number 45. I buy groceries.
I buy groceries for dinner.
Number 46. I carry my bags.
I carry my bags home. Sometimes they are heavy.
Especially when you buy too much.
Guilty. Number 47. I arrive home.
I arrive home around 6 o'clock.
Number 48. I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes at the door. This is important in many cultures.
Very true. Number 49. I relax on the sofa.
I relax on the sofa. Ah, finally.
The best part of the day.
And number 50. I change my clothes.
I change my clothes into something comfortable.
Halfway point, friends. 50 sentences done.
Let's repeat them slowly together.
I finish work.
I leave the office.
I go home.
I stop at the store.
I buy groceries.
I carry my bags.
I arrive home.
I take off my shoes.
I relax on the sofa.
I change my clothes.
Wonderful work, everyone. You are halfway through the lesson.
Don't stop now. 50 more sentences to go.
Let's pause for a moment. I want to ask you some questions.
Good idea. Try to answer out loud in English.
Question 1. What time do you wake up?
Question 2. What do you eat for breakfast?
Question 3. How do you go to work or school?
Take a moment, think about your answer, and say it out loud.
Don't be shy. Speaking out loud helps you remember better.
Great. Now let's continue with more sentences. Now let's talk about the evening. Number 51. I cook dinner.
I cook dinner. I love cooking.
What do you usually cook?
I usually cook pasta. Easy and delicious.
Sounds good. Number 52. I cut vegetables.
I cut vegetables for the salad.
Number 53. I boil water.
I boil water for the pasta.
Number 54. I set the table.
I set the table before dinner.
Number 55, I call my family.
I call my family for dinner. Dinner is ready.
Classic phrase in every home.
Number 56, I eat dinner.
I eat dinner with my family.
Number 57, I talk about my day.
I talk about my day during dinner. This is a nice habit.
Yes, it brings families together. Number 58, I clear the table.
I clear the table after dinner.
Number 59, I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes. Again, so many dishes in one day.
Dishes never end.
And number 60, I wipe the counter.
I wipe the counter clean.
Let's repeat these 10 sentences slowly.
I cook dinner.
I cut vegetables.
I boil water.
I set the table.
I call my family.
I eat dinner.
I talk about my day.
I clear the table.
I wash the dishes.
I wipe the counter.
60 sentences done. You are doing fantastic.
Keep going. We are getting close to the end. Now let's talk about relaxing in the evening.
My favorite topic. Number 61, I watch TV.
I watch TV after dinner.
Number 62, I listen to music.
I listen to music while relaxing.
Number 63, I read a book.
I read a book before bed.
Number 64, I play games.
I play games on my phone.
Be careful, this can take hours.
True, I always say just 5 more minutes.
And then it's 2 hours later.
Exactly. Number 65, I talk to my friends.
I talk to my friends on the phone.
Number 66, I text my friends.
I text my friends every evening.
Number 67, I go for a walk.
I go for a walk after dinner. It helps digestion.
Great habit. Number 68, I exercise.
I exercise 3 times a week.
Number 69, I do yoga.
I do yoga to relax my body and mind.
And number 70, I take a bath.
I take a bath in the evening. So relaxing.
Let's repeat these slowly together.
I watch TV.
I listen to music.
I read a book.
I play games.
I talk to my friends.
I text my friends.
I go for a walk.
I exercise.
I do yoga.
I take a bath.
70 sentences. Amazing progress, everyone.
Only 30 more to go. You can do this. Now, let's talk about the night routine.
Number 71, I get tired.
I get tired around 10 o'clock.
Number 72, I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy after a long day.
Number 73, I check the doors.
I check the doors before bed. Safety first.
Number 74, I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights in the house.
Number 75, I go to my bedroom.
I go to my bedroom around 10:30.
Number 76, I put on my pajamas.
I put on my pajamas before sleeping.
2 times a day, remember? Number 77, I wash my face.
I wash my face before bed.
Number 79, I set my alarm.
I set my alarm for the next morning.
And number 80, I plug in my phone.
I plug in my phone to charge it.
Let's repeat these 10 sentences.
I get tired.
I feel sleepy.
I check the doors.
I turn off the lights.
I go to my bedroom.
I put on my pajamas.
I brush my teeth again.
I wash my face.
I set my alarm.
I plug in my phone.
80 sentences, everyone. We are almost finished.
Just 20 more. Stay with us.
Now, the final part, going to sleep.
Number 81, I get into bed.
I get into bed around 11 o'clock.
Number 82, I pull up the blanket.
I pull up the blanket. It's cold tonight.
Number 83, I fluff my pillow.
I fluff my pillow before sleeping. This is a funny word, fluff.
It is. Say it slowly. Fluff, fluff, fluff.
Fluff. Okay, number 84. I close my eyes.
I close my eyes and relax.
Number 85. I think about my day.
I think about my day before sleeping.
Number 86. I say goodnight.
I say goodnight to my family.
Such a sweet sentence. Number 87. I fall asleep.
I fall asleep quickly. I'm always tired.
Same here. Number 88. I sleep 8 hours.
I sleep 8 hours every night. Very important for health.
Yes, sleep is so important. Number 89. I dream at night.
I dream at night. Sometimes funny dreams.
And number 90. I wake up the next day.
I wake up the next day and the routine starts again.
That's right. Life is a routine, isn't it?
It really is. Let's repeat these sentences slowly.
I get into bed.
I pull up the blanket.
I fluff my pillow.
I close my eyes.
I think about my day.
I say goodnight.
I fall asleep.
I sleep 8 hours.
I dream at night.
I wake up the next day.
90 sentences. Just 10 more left.
Let's finish strong, everyone.
Let's finish with 10 bonus sentences, useful for every day.
Number 91, I check the weather.
I check the weather every morning.
Number 92, I feed my pet.
I feed my pet before I leave the house.
Number 93. I water the plants.
I water the plants in the evening.
Number 94. I do the laundry.
I do the laundry on weekends.
Number 95. I clean my room.
I clean my room once a week.
Number 96. I make my bed.
I make my bed every morning. Do you make your bed?
Honestly, not always.
That's okay. We are all human. Number 97. I plan my day.
I plan my day in the morning.
Number 98. I make a to-do list.
I make a to-do list every day. It helps me stay organized.
Great habit. Number 99. I follow my routine.
I follow my routine every single day.
And the final one, number 100. I repeat my daily routine.
I repeat my daily routine. And now you can talk about your routine in English too.
That's amazing. Let's repeat the last 10 sentences together.
I check the weather.
I feed my pet.
I water the plants.
I do the laundry.
I clean my room.
I make my bed.
I plan my day.
I make a to-do list.
I follow my routine.
I repeat my daily routine.
100 sentences. Congratulations, everyone.
Wow, you did it. That was a long lesson, but you stayed until the end.
Now it's your turn to practice speaking.
Try to answer these simple questions out loud.
Question 1. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Question 2. What do you usually eat for dinner?
Question 3. What do you do before you sleep?
Take your time. Speak slowly. There's no rush.
Remember, practice makes progress, not perfect.
I love that phrase. Progress, not perfect. Well, friends, that's our lesson for today. 100 daily routine sentences.
You did amazing. Learning a new language takes time, but you are doing great.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
And don't forget to subscribe for more lessons like this one.
Now tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up every day?
Yes, write your answer below in English. We love reading your comments.
Practice your sentences every day, and you will improve so much.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care and keep learning English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.